Good morning class. Standard 9, Chapter 5, Maths. Introduction to Euclid's Geometry. Let us start with the first chapter of Geometry. It's very easy. The main points are, the first one, axiom or postulate. The unproved universal truth are called axioms or postulate. Theorems are statements which can be proved using definitions and axioms. Third point, Euclid was a Greek mathematician who introduced the method of proving a geometrical result by using logical reasonings on previously proved and known results. Statement is a sentence which can be judged to be true or false. Fifth, theorem is a statement which requires proof. Sixth, corollary is a statement whose truth can be easily be deduced from a theorem. Axioms are basic facts which are taken granted without any proof. Postulates are the basic facts which are taken for granted without proof. Let us see Euclid's 5 postulates. Postulate 1. A straight line may be drawn from any point to the other point. Postulate 2. A terminated line can be produced indefinitely. Postulate 3. A circle can be drawn without any center and any radius. Postulate 4. All right angles are equal to one another. Postulate 5. If a straight line falling on two straight lines make the interior angles on the same side of it taken together is less than two right angles, then the two straight lines, if produced, indefinitely meet on that side on which the sum of the angles is less than two right angles. For diagram, please refer to the textbook. Now we start with exercise 5.1, which is very easy. Question number 1, we have to say true or false and give reason for your answer. First one, please write the question. Only one line can pass through a single point. The answer is false. Why? We can draw indefinite number of lines passing through a point. Please see the figure and draw the figure. There are an indefinite number of lines which pass through two distinct points. The answer is false. Only one line can pass through two distinct points, but infinite lines can pass through point P and Q. Please see the figure. Point P and Q. A terminated line can be produced indefinitely on both the sides. The answer is true. Fourth, if two circles are equal, then their radii are equal. True. Fifth, in the following figures, if AB is equal to PQ, PQ is equal to XY, then AB is equal to XY. The answer is true. Please write down. Now we go to question number 2. Let us read the question first. Give a definition for each of the following terms. Are there other terms that need to be defined first? What are they and how might you define them? First, parallel lines. Second, perpendicular lines, line segment, radius of a circle and square. We need to have an idea about the terms point, line, ray, angle, plane, circle and a quadrilateral before defining the required terms. Point. What is point? Point is a small dot made by a sharp pencil on a paper. Gives an idea of point. It has no dimensions. Line. A line is a set of points extend indefinitely in both directions. Now we go to ray. A part of line which has only one end point and extends indefinitely in one direction. Angle. Two rays having a common end points to form an angle. Plane. Plane is a surface such that every point of the line joining any two points on it lies on it. Circle. A circle is a set of points in a given plane which are equidistant from a fixed point in the same plane. The fixed point is called center of circle. Now we go to quadrilateral. What is a quadrilateral? It is a closed figure made by 4 line segments is called a quadrilateral. Definitions of required terms. The first one, parallel lines. Please see the figure. Two lines L and M in a plane are said to be parallel if they have no common point, and we write down L parallel M. Perpendicular lines. Two lines P and Q lying in the same plane are said to be perpendicular if they form a right angle, and we write them P perpendicular Q. See the figure. Please draw. A line segment is a part of line having a definite length. It has two endpoints, can be written as AB, C bar is written, or BA. Draw the figure. Radius of circle. The distance from the center to the point on the circle is called radius of the circle. OP is called radius of circle. This symbol is used to write circle, square. A quadrilateral in which all the 4 angles are right angles, 90 degree, and all the 4 sides are equal is called a square. PQRS is a square. Question number 3. Consider 2 postulates given below. Given any 2 distinct points A and B, there exists a third point C which is in between A and B. B. There exist at least 3 points that are not on the same line. Do these postulates contain any undefined terms? Are these postulates consistent? Do they follow Euclid's postulate? Explain. Yes, these postulates undefined terms such as point and line. These postulates contain undefined terms such as point and line. These postulates are consistent because they deal with 2 different situations. As first, says that given 2 points A and B, there is a point C lying on the line in between. C lies between A and B. Second one says that given A and B, you take C not lying on the line through A and B. No, this postulate do not follow from Euclid's postulate. They follow from the axiom given 2 distinct points, there is a unique line that passes through them. Fourth one, if a point C lies between 2 points A and B such that AC is equal to BC, then prove that AC is equal to half AB. Explain by drawing a figure. See the figure. Now, AC is equal to BC is given to us. Following? Add AC on both the sides. AC plus AC is equal to BC plus AC. Now, what is AC plus AC? 2AC. And you see BC plus AC will give you AB. So, AC is equal to half of AB. Fifth, in question 4, point C is called a midpoint of the segment AB. Prove that every line segment has one and only one midpoint. See the figure. Let the given line AB having 2 midpoints C and D. First case, AC is equal to half of AB, give number 1, and AD is half of AB. So from 1 and 2, we have AD minus AC, half AB minus half AB, or AD minus AC is equal to 0, or CD is equal to 0. So C and D coincides. So every line segment has only one midpoint. Question number 6. In the figure given below, if AC is equal to BD, then prove that AC is equal to CD. We have AC is equal to BD. Number 1. Point B lies between A and C. Therefore, AC is equal to AB plus BC. Second number. Point C lies between B and D. So, BD is equal to CD plus. From 1, 2 and 3, AB plus BC is equal to CD plus BC. Therefore, AB is equal to CD. Question number 7. Why is axiom 5 in the list of Euclid's axioms considered as a universal truth? In the given list of Euclid's axioms, we have the whole is greater than the part. The statement is true for all things and in all parts of the universe, so it is universal truth. Next point, equivalent versions of Euclid's fifth postulate. For every line L and M, for every line L and for every point P not lying on L, there exists a unique line M. See the figure. Two distinct intersecting lines cannot be parallel to the same line. See the figure. Exercise 5.2, question number 1. How would you rewrite Euclid's fifth postulate so that it would be easier to understand? Two distinct intersecting lines. What is the meaning of intersecting? Meeting at one point. Cannot be parallel to the same line. Two distinct intersecting lines cannot be parallel to the same line. Second, does Euclid's fifth postulate imply the existence of parallel lines? Explain. Yes, if a straight line L falls on two lines M and N such that the sum of the angles on one side of L is two right angles, then by Euclid's fifth postulate, the lines will not meet on the side of L. The sum of the interior angles on the other side of line L will be two right angles too. They will not meet on the other side. Lines M and N never meet, that is, they are parallel. Thank you. Please write down in the notebook.